Hi, I'm Dr. John Principe from WellBeingMD, and today I'm really excited that we have a guest speaker here that's going to be talking about an upcoming program that's going to be happening here in November at WellBeingMD. Every day I face patients that come to me with multiple diseases that really are based in the root cause of having some gastrointestinal abnormalities, such as irritable bowel, inflammatory bowel disease. And I was fortunate enough almost a year and a half ago to add a really dynamic and exciting young woman who herself has faced many of these problems and who's designed just a wonderful program for our patients. And this upcoming 4-week seminar, I want to introduce you to our nutrition counselor in training, Alexa. We affectionately call her Lexi Weiler. So Lexi, tell us a little bit about what's going to happen during this course.
Okay, so it's a 4-week session every Saturday morning, and it's going to mainly focus on health issues such as leaky gut, irritable bowel, and autoimmunity.
Well, what if people don't understand what's leaky gut? In
Well,
2 seconds, tell me what a leaky gut is.
We're going to explain that in detail in the class, the first one, but leaky gut is basically your small intestine, the first part, the duodenum. Mainly, it gets thinner and thinner over time. This could be due to antibiotics, stress, processed food, and as that lining gets thinner, food particles aren't completely broken down before they leak into the gut and into your bloodstream, and this can cause autoimmune diseases, a lot of inflammation, and many symptoms. So we're going to talk about what leaky gut is, how to test for it, how to interpret test results, and how to actually heal the gut through food.
That really is the most dynamic part that we're going to do. Tell us how you plan to do that.
Okay, so the first week we're going to talk about one of the best home remedies you can make, and that's bone stocks. Okay, those give you the raw materials you need to seal those gut holes, those junctions. The second week we're going to talk about proper preparation of grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes, because if they're not properly prepared, unfortunately they can further impair the leaky gut and make it worse. And then the third week is my favorite topic. It's all about the gut flora and fermented foods.
Now, flora. What does flora mean?
Flora
Because they may not know what flora is.
basically means your probiotics, okay? You want to have about 80% good flora and 20% bad flora in your gut.
So good bacteria.
Exactly.
I always tell my patients, we're more bacteria than we are human.
Yeah, we actually have more bacteria in our bodies than actual cells, so that makes complete sense. So we're going to talk about foods that you can consume to boost that gut flora, increase it, so we can crowd out the bad gut flora and keep them in the right ratio.
And in the final week, what are we going to do?
We're going to talk about fats, which is one of the biggest misinformed topics out there on nutrition. Most of the patients I see are so shocked and surprised when we talk about the right fats to consume. It's going to be really exciting. We're going to talk about the history of fats, how we actually got to this misinformation in our society, and we're going to make delicious foods, including homemade dressings.
Yes. So that's another feature part of the class. So part of it's going to be educational, but we're actually going to take them into the Well-Being Mindful Kitchen and actually hands-on. They will be making food every week to heal their gut.
Yes, and I think that's what sets this class different from so many other nutrition sessions out there, because you're going to be doing hands-on cooking, making homemade sauerkraut, making soups with bone stocks, which I had to learn all that on my own, and it took much longer than it would if someone was there to guide me and show me one-on-one how to do it. So.
Well, I think that, just having you here is just an awesome resource for our patients. And actually for the world, because so many people need this type of information. And so if you're interested and want to learn more about WellBeingMD, I would suggest you go to our website, WellBeingMD.com, check our calendar of events for this upcoming seminar series, or call and register for it by telephoning our receptionist at 708-448-9450 and sign up for this 4-week class. We hope to see you there and help you to better health in healing your gut. Thank you.